Hello my lovelies, it's Odette here and welcome back to today's video. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching and also thank you for tuning in today. Thank you guys so much. I do appreciate it, and I'm also going to ask that you please watch my videos to the end. I'm still struggling with my watch time hours. I'm still trying to get this channel monetized. It's been so hard. And I know that YouTube support is just really hard lately, but for a few of you who always come back to my channel, thank you so much, and please watch the videos to the end and please subscribe before you go. I'm also going to try really hard to get through this video today. As you can tell, my demeanor is not 100%. That's because there are some ups and downs. And it's okay to say that you are not okay, because sometimes we all come on camera and we look so happy and joyful, and sometimes life goes on, regular life happens, and we just have to pray these things off and just leave them in God's hands and hope things are going to work out. But let's just get started. And of course, from the title you can see I'm going to be sharing with you guys my empties. I have been using up a lot of things because I just really want to get rid of some things, some skincare and some beauty items as well. So we're just going to start. This is from the Soft Soap brand, and I really like this. It's coconut scented, and it's moisturizing body wash, and it says infused with real coconut oil. I've went through this like it's nobody's business, to be honest with you guys. This is one of my favorites. And I'm sure you guys remember this body scrub that I got from Victoria's Secret. I showed you guys this in a haul. Guys, this is done. When I tell you, this was the most wonderful body scrub ever. I always use body scrub that has little beads on it on my body, not on my face, because when the beads gets into your eyes, it can cause irritation and problems. I only use sugar scrubs from MSM. You guys know that already, on my face. But again, anything with beads in it, like this one, always use this on my body. This is what I've been doing for a very long time. And again, this was from Victoria's Secret. And this was the lavender flavor, which was really lavender flavor, lavender and vanilla scented. That's what I meant to say. I've used this up. This is a Clean and Clear Essential Foaming Face Wash. This is also a very good foaming face wash. I know the bottle looks a little wonky because I've had it for a long time to show you guys. And this is called the Essentials Foaming Facial Cleanser. Really nice from Clean and Clear. And again, love that face wash. And this is the Fat Water Toner from Fenty Skin. I had the moisturizer and the cleanser, but I threw it out by mistake. But this Fenty toner, it's called the Fat Water. It is so good. And it is one of those skincare lines. If you're having issues with your skin and pimples and breakouts and stuff like that, please start with the Fenty Skin. You are not going to regret it. You just need 3 things from the line. You need the cleanser, you need the toner, and you need the moisturizer. That's all. Because I know sometimes, you feel those little pimples are popping up under the skin and it hurts so much. It's gonna go away by morning. Trust me, guys. And I do have the full size of this. It is a good product. I just mentioned MSM, did I not? And this is from MSM, and this is the Vino Gold. This is the moisturizer. Guys, I'm gonna tell you something. This lasted me for probably 2 years. And you guys heard me talk about MSM many times before, and a little bit of this goes a long way. And I made sure there was nothing left in the container. Love this so much. I do have, like I said earlier, the sugar scrub from MSM, and I use it on my face, and I've had that for probably 1.5 years, and a little bit goes a long way. This is from Garnier. I've also showed you guys this as well. This is an amazing toner. This is it's not a toner, it's a micellar water. Same thing. Garnier Bio Organic Cornflower Micellar Water. This is really good, very soothing, very comfortable to the skin. It has no alcohols, nothing to harm your skin, no harmful chemicals. It is like I said, organic, and it says corn flour, and it's so good though. But I have another one. I do, because normally when I like something, I just want to be able to just have another one in my collection. For shower, this is from Nivea, Wild Berries, one of my favorite scents from Nivea. And I find for the last few years, Nivea has really improved the scents in their skincare products, whether that be bath or shower or skincare. And this is one of my favorite scents. And I think I'm running out of space on my desk. Also from Nivea, this is the body lotion. Oh my God, this lasted me for, I think, almost 6 to 8 months, because a little pump of this goes a long way and it really does help. It says 48-hour moisture, and I gotta tell you, it really does work. Because sometimes when you see these things on bottle and you're thinking, yeah, sure, 48-hour moisture, this really works. I absolutely love it. Let me just make some room on my desk. And this is a big mama. This is from Oil of Olay. This is a Fresh Outlast white strawberry and mint. And this was a body wash. Do you see the size of this thing? Do you see the big mama size of this body wash? I had this for a very long time, and I'm gonna tell you, I can't even begin to tell you how long this lasted, because again, a little bit of this on your little fluffy sponge in your shower goes a long way. This is so good, and I love the scent. Oh my God, it is so refreshing, you know, because try using this in the morning, because sometimes when you wake up in the morning, you don't even have any energy. You're just like, do I really want to go to work today, or do I really want to get out of bed? But the minute you step into your shower and you put on your best smelling shower gels, you're just good to go. Also from Nivea, this is a basil and white tea shower gel. Lovely. This is wild berries that I just showed you guys earlier. This is a basil and white tea, very refreshing. And I gotta tell you, this one smells divine. It is a beautiful scent. Next, I do have from MSM. This is the 10% vitamin C serum. I do not use any other serums on my face, but this vitamin C serum from MSM, the best serum you can put on your skin. Brightens up your skin, evens out the skin tones. I was looking back on some of my old videos, and I was looking at my skin, and I thought, oh my God, back then I really thought I had really good skin. But then when I really started to pay attention to my skin and, you know, trying to get rid of the dark spots and the uneven skin tone, and I really found some really good products over the years, and this is one of those products that stands out. This is from MSM. This is a 10% vitamin C serum. The best serum you can use on your face, I'm telling you. And this is the pink grapefruit cleanser, because I had 2 of them, because I've used them up. They are so good, guys, and they are completely empty. And again, this is a pink grapefruit acne prone skin cream to foam cleanser. Both empties. Love that. Next, I do have this powder from Sephora. This is called Matte 10. And I remember we went to Rome. I was married at the time when we were in Rome for holidays. And I went into Sephora and I picked up 2 of these powders. And I gotta tell you, they lasted such a long time. One of the best finishing face powders I've used from Sephora. It's finally finished. This is called Matte 10, and I don't think Sephora makes these powders anymore. Really lovely. And I think I probably have one more that I'm trying to pan as well. Love this product. This is the Breakage Remedy from Dove. I use this in my natural hair, and I also use this on my wigs as well. This is really good. If you want to see no breakage on your natural hair, you need this product from Dove. It's called the Dove Breakage Remedy. There it is. Really lovely, and it smells amazing. Next, I do have this L'Oreal Paris Triple Active Night Cream. I accidentally threw out the day cream, but this is like putting butter on your skin. Very soft and moisturizing. You can feel the plumpness on your skin the minute you put this on. This is really pretty. And of course, I do have another one in my collection. It's a lovely product from L'Oreal Paris. Last but not least, I do have this Dramatic Firming Cream from Avon. I showed you guys this before. I didn't see any changes to my skin with this, but I use this on my legs, on my heels, on the sole of my feet, and I have 2 more which I'm just going through right now. And I tried using this on my face, and nothing was dramatically firming anyways on my face. I thought, let me just use this on the thicker parts of my body, which is just my legs and stuff like that. And it's not bad. When I finish the 2 that I have, I'm not going to be buying these again. Like I said, I didn't see much of a difference. And these are all for my empties, guys, because like I said, I really was trying hard to get rid of a lot of things, and I have used a lot of things. And I also hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I do thank you for watching, and please watch the videos to the end and subscribe before you go. And I'm also going to leave you with one thought, and that would be to treat every single person the way you want to be treated, because kindness does pay off. Thank you for watching. My name is Odette. I shall see you next time. Doodles.